Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make PDF of photos. So to do that, what you have to do is to just go to the search bar and here you have to type I love PDF, and the best part is you can do these steps on your mobile as well, so you don't have to worry about. Then you will find the first website by the name of I love PDF. Click on that and then you have to select on the option like JPG to PDF. So we are going to do this. You have multiple options. If you want to like PowerPoint to PDF, you can go for that. Excel to PDF, you can go for that as well, but in our case we are going to JPG to PDF option. Here we will select and then we have the window pop up by the name of select JPG images. So here we have to click on, and now we have to select the images. So in whatever folder your images are, you can just go there and select the images. So in my case I'm gonna make PDF of these 3 photos. So what I have to do is to just hold the control key on keyboard and then just left click on these 3 photos like this and just hit the open tab. Okay, so we got our images. So we have many options, like we can just easily make the photo small. Here you can see the photos are getting smaller, bigger, whatever you want you can just go ahead, but I will leave it on no margin as it is. So we are going to hit now convert to PDF option, and here you can see converting images to PDF. So here you have to wait for some seconds and the PDF will get automatically downloaded, but it doesn't happen in your case. You can just hit on download PDF option and it will manually get downloaded. So here we have finally converted the images to PDF. If you want to access the file, you can go to the download folder and we are going to click here. So as you can see the file is downloaded here, so we are going to double click on it and the file will get open. As you can see we have successfully converted our photos to PDF. So if I was a big help, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.